GPT made the code for Morse code blinker using ATTiny85 microcontroller. This board came with pre-programmed ATTiny. Pre-programmed board has micronucleus DigiSpark loader, and here is the code. But I wanted to have a programmer for the chip, so I built the Arduino ISP programmer into Arduino, and then it allows to program ATTiny85. For the chip without bootloader, it is 1 MHz clock frequency, and this is the code. LED will run only 4 seconds from 1000 microfarad capacitor, so it is not energy efficient. Testing how long it can blink Morse code from 1 farad 5 volts. From 1 farad, Morse blinks about half an hour. I have programmed a double pulse, 5 milliseconds, and break in between, repeating every second. And then this is compact version running from lithium cell. Nice finished ATTiny blinkers. Make random patterns in the night with double pulses.